A 45-year-old male presents to the clinic complaining of a chronic productive cough for the past 8 months. He reports coughing up yellowish sputum daily, often more than a tablespoon in quantity, sometimes streaked with blood. He also experiences intermittent shortness of breath and wheezing, particularly during exertion or after respiratory infections. Over the last year, he has had multiple episodes of respiratory infections, requiring 3 courses of antibiotics. He recalls a significant past medical history of pulmonary tuberculosis, which was diagnosed and treated successfully 5 years ago. On examination, the patient is afebrile, with normal vital signs. Auscultation of the chest reveals bilateral coarse crackles, predominantly in the lower lung zones, with no wheezing heard. Spirometry revealed a reduced FEV1-FVC ratio. A CT was performed and shown.